Hello children, welcome to my channel. Uh, this is the equation of a line part 3. Already I have uploaded part 1 and part 2. In those two parts I have explained what is equation of a line. I have told about linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variables, their general form, then concepts related to linear equation in one variable and two variable, then angle of inclination, then slope of a line or gradient of a line, slope of parallel lines, slope of perpendicular lines, then how to find the slope of a line if the angle of inclination is not given but 2 points are given. So in the first two parts I have explained the basics of equation of a line. In this part I will move further. I will start from with x intercept and y intercept. X intercept and y intercept. Now, out of these two, this is more important. Y intercept is more important. Y intercept is represented using the small letters C. Remember this. X intercept is not that important, but Y intercept is important and represented by the small letter C. Now let us understand what is X intercept and what is Y intercept. Let us draw X axis, Y axis to understand better. Here I am. Suppose this is Y axis and this is X axis. Okay. Suppose this is 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and minus 8. Okay. First let me give the definition of X intercept. Now what is X intercept? It is the x coordinate or abscissa. X coordinate is also called abscissa. It's the x coordinate or abscissa of the point where a line cuts or intersects the x-axis. The definition is very important. You can understand from that. It is the x coordinate or abscissa of the point where a line cuts the x-axis. Let me draw a line. Suppose this is a line L1. Now see, where is this line intersecting the x-axis? Here, this point. Okay, this point. Now what are its coordinates? Minus 4 comma 0. Okay, minus 4 comma 0. The x coordinate of this point means minus 4 is the x intercept of this line L1. Okay, by the definition. It is the x coordinate of the point where a line intersects the x-axis. This line is intersecting the x-axis at this point. As you can see, its x coordinate is minus 4. So its x intercept is minus 4. Okay. Similarly, what will be y-intercept? Following the same definition. Okay. It is the y coordinate or ordinate. Y coordinate is also known as ordinate. O-R-D-I-N-A-T. Ordinate of the point where a line cuts or intersects, cuts the y-axis. Okay, just like X intercept. What is y-intercept? It is the y coordinate or ordinate of the point where a line intersects or cuts the y-axis. You can see this line, the same line. It is intersecting the y-axis at this point, whose coordinates are 0, 6. Okay, and what is the y coordinate of this point, or what is the what is the coordinate of this point? 6. So the y-intercept of this line L1 is 6. Okay, so for this line L1, the x-intercept is -4, the y-intercept is +6. Okay, similarly, let me draw another line. Okay, you can understand from that what is x coordinate, what is y-intercept, what is x-intercept, what is y-intercept. This is another line L2. Okay, now let us find its x-intercept and y-intercept. The line is intersecting the x-axis at this point. Okay, its coordinates are 8, 0. So its x-intercept is 8. Then the same line is intersecting the y-axis at this point. Okay, its coordinates are 0, -6. Okay, the y coordinate of this point is -6. So its y-intercept, the y-intercept of this line is -6. X-intercept is +8. Y-intercept is -6. Okay, so in this way, when the line is given to you, you can find the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, x-intercept means when y is 0. Okay, by definition, what I told, the x coordinate of the point where a line intersects the x-axis. Okay, definitely the point where the line will intersect the x-axis. Look at this point. Okay, look at this point. The point where a line will intersect the x-axis, its y coordinate will definitely be 0. You can see y coordinate is 0. So there is a simple trick. When y is 0, the corresponding x coordinate, okay, means when y coordinate is 0, the corresponding x coordinate is the x intercept. Okay, similarly, when x coordinate is 0, okay, when x coordinate is 0, the corresponding y coordinate is the y intercept of that line. Here 6, here -6. Okay, I hope you have understood what is x intercept and y intercept. Now let us go for the general form of equation of a line. Now we are ready. Okay, because we have already studied about many concepts, basic concepts of equation of a line, like gradient of a slope, slope of a line, or also known as gradient, then angle of inclination, x-intercept, y-intercept. We know how to find slope. Okay, we know the basics of equation of a line. So now let us go to the form, the final one. Okay. First is slope intercept form. So in this form, we will need the slope of the line and and we will need the intercept. Intercept means here y intercept. I told that x intercept is not that important, y intercept is more important. Okay, so we will need slope of the line and we will need y intercept of the line. Okay, I am not giving the derivation, the derivation is not necessary for you. So the formula is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is very important. Okay, y and x are variables. Okay, they do not have any specific value. M is the slope of the line. Okay, in part 2 I think I had given the concept of gradient or slope. I told that slope of a line, slope of a line is represented using the small letter m. Okay, then what is c? Y intercept. Okay, a few minutes before I told that y intercept is represented using the small letter c. So here two main things are slope and y intercept. Okay, let us take an example and find the equation of the line. Okay, suppose a line is making 60 degree with the x-axis, means its angle of inclination is 60 degree. Okay, and is intersecting the y-axis at 0, minus 3. Okay, so the angle of inclination of the line is given and one point is given, one point on the line. Actually the point where the line is intersecting the y-axis has been given to you. Here you can see x coordinate is 0. So definitely this minus 3 is the y-intercept. Okay, so we can write c is equal to minus 3. Okay, now theta is given, means we can easily find the slope. Okay, so m is equal to, you know the formula tan theta, so tan 60 degree. Okay, slope is equal to tan theta, which is root 3. This is the slope, this is the y-intercept. Now we can find the equation of the line. Okay, let us use this here. Put these values here. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to, what is m? Root 3. X plus c, what is c? Minus 3. So this is the equation of the line. Y is equal to root 3x minus 3. If we want to convert it to the standard form, okay, which I have given in part 1, we can write it as root 3x minus y minus 3 is 0. Okay, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line, whose slope was given, whose angle of inclination was given and one point was given. Okay, every point on that line, okay, every point on that line will definitely satisfy this equation, and every point which coordinates will satisfy this equation will definitely be on that line. Okay. Now I am solving one more example. Suppose there is a line whose angle of inclination is 135 degree. Okay, theta is equal to 135 degree. 135 degree means anti-clockwise 135 degree. The line will be like this. This is the x-axis. This will be the line. Okay, x-axis, and this is the line whose angle of inclination is given 135 degree. Okay, then it passes through the point, suppose 0, 4. Okay, and we have been asked to find the equation of the line. From theta we can find the slope. So m is equal to tan 135 degree. But above 90 degree, we don't know the values. The values are not given in the table also. Okay, So how to calculate the slope? How to find the slope? This is anti-clockwise, we can take clockwise. Okay, if this is 135 degree, this will be minus 45 degree. Okay, simply not 45, it will be minus 45 degree because it is taken clockwise. I have already explained this in part 1. Okay, so minus 45. So instead of 135, we can write minus 45. So minus, what is tan 45 degree? 1. So slope is minus 1. Okay, then y-intercept 0,4, 1 point has been given. If x coordinate is 0, then the corresponding y coordinate is the y-intercept. So definitely c is equal to 4. Okay. Now let us put the values in the form of the equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. So minus 1 into x, that is minus x plus c means 4. Okay. So y is equal to minus x plus 4. If we want to convert it in the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c form, then you can convert like this. Putting everything to the left. X plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line whose data had been given, theta 135 degree and 1.0,4. So every point on that line will satisfy this equation, and every point satisfying this equation will line up the line. So this is the first form, slope intercept form. Then the second and last form, is slope point form. Slope point form. Okay, this is the second form. Here we will need slope of the line and we will need 1 point. 1 point. Okay, that can be any point. Previously I have taken specific points, special points on the y-axis only. 0, 2, 0, minus 2, these are points on the y-axis. These are special points. But here in this form we can take any point. Okay. The formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. I am not giving the derivation, it is not necessary. This is important. Okay. Here y and x are variables, m is the slope of the line, x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point. 1 point will be given to you. Let us take an example. Suppose there is a line whose slope is given, suppose directly. Okay, remember slope is the most important thing. In this chapter, slope is the most important thing. Okay, if slope is given to you, then very good. If slope is not given, then theta will be given to you. From that theta, you have to find slope and tan theta using the formula tan theta. If suppose theta is also not given, but 2 points will be given. Okay, then using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, you can find the slope of the line. Okay, the first slope is important. After finding slope, go for other values. Okay, then use the form of the equation. It may be y equal to mx plus c means slope intercept form. It may be slope point form. Suppose slope is given minus 2 by 3. Now can you imagine of the line, how the line would look like? Okay, slope is minus 2 by 3 means slope is negative. And I had told in, I think, part 1 or part 2 I had told, if slope is positive, then the line will be like this, move up. Okay, if the slope is negative, then the line will be like this, move down. So definitely the line will be like this, moving down. Okay, slope is given, then suppose 2 points are given. Okay, let us take 2 points. One point is minus 4, 5. The other point is 3, minus 2. Oh sorry, 2 points not given, only 1 point. sorry, slope is given and one point is given, and we have been asked to find the equation of the line. Okay, so slope is given, no problem. Coordinates also given. This is x1 y1, this is our x1 y1. Put the values here. Okay, put the values here. So y minus, what is y1? 5 is equal to what is m? Minus 2 by 3. X minus x1. So x minus minus 4, that is plus 4. Okay, bring 3 to the left. 3y minus 15 is equal to minus 2x minus 8. Bring everything to the left to get the standard form. So 2x plus 3y minus 15 plus 8 is 0. Okay, so the final equation is 2x plus 3y minus 7 is 0. So this is the equation of the line, whose slope is minus 2 by 3 and is passing to the point minus 4 comma 5. So every point on the line will satisfy this equation, and conversely every point satisfying this equation will line up the line. Clear? So you can see in class 9 what we have studied, equation was given and we were able to draw the line. We were able to get the line on the graph paper. Okay. Now in class 10 some data are given regarding the line, like slope is given, point is given, or y intercept is given, or theta is given. Okay, so from those values, using some specific formulas like this, we are getting the equation of the line. Okay, now let us take another example and the last example of this part. Find the equation of the line. Okay, the example is find the equation of the line which passes through the points 4, 6 and minus 3, 1. Okay, 2 points are given here, but slope is not given, and we've been asked to find the equation of the line. Okay, I told you that slope is the most important part. First you have to find slope. If it is given, okay. If it is not given, then you have to find anyhow. Okay, theta is not given, so we cannot use the formula tan theta. But 2 points are given. You can assume that this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Then you can find the slope using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This are given in part 2. Okay, so what is y2 minus y1? 1 minus 6. What is x2 minus x1? Minus 3 minus 4. Okay, so minus 5 minus 7 minus cancel. Slope is 5 by 7. Slope is positive, means how the line would be like this, move up. Slope is positive, then move up. Okay, next. Now we can use slope point formula. Slope we have already found 5 by 7. We need 1 point, only 1 point to move, but 2 points are given. So you are free to choose. You may choose this point, you may choose this point. You are free to choose. You can take any point. You will get the same equation. Okay, so let us put the formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Slope point formula. Ready? I am taking this point. Okay, if you want, you can take this point. What is y minus y1? Y minus 6. What is m? 5 by 7. 5 by 7. X minus x1 means x minus 4. Ready? Bring 7 to the left. So this is 7y minus 42 is equal to 5x minus 20. Okay? So bring it to the standard everything to the right. 0 is equal to 5x minus 7y minus 20 plus 42. Okay, or you can write 5x minus 7y minus 20 plus 42 means plus 22 is 0. So this is the equation of the line, okay, which is passing through the 2 points 4, 6 and minus 3, 1, and every point on that line will satisfy this equation. I'll give one more example, then it will be the end of this one. Okay. Find the equation of the line that passes through the points minus 6, 0 and 0, 4. Okay, again two points are given. Okay, but these 2 points are a little different. They are special. This point is definitely on the x-axis because y coordinate is 0, and this point is definitely on the y-axis because its x coordinate is 0. So again, using the same method as we did in the previous example, we can find the equation of the line. Okay. First, let us get the slope. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. What is y2 minus y1? 4 minus 0. What is x2 minus x1? 0 minus minus 6, that is 0 plus 6. Okay, so 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Slope is positive, means line will be like this, positive, means moving up. Okay, then we can use slope point formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So I can take any point, I can take this point or this point. Okay, let me take this point. Y minus 4. What is slope? M 2 by 3. 2 by 3 x minus 0. Okay, bring 3 to the left. 3y minus 12 is equal to 2x. Now if you want to bring it to the standard form, take everything to the right. Always focus on x. If x is positive, then okay. Here x is positive, so I put this to the right. If x will be negative, then I will drop x to the left. Okay. 2x minus 3y plus 12 is 0. This is the equation of the line which passes through the points minus 6, 0 and 0, 4. Okay. So when 2 points are given, okay, 2 points through which a line is passing, those 2 points are given, then you can easily find the equation of the line. First you find slope, then you can use any point and put the formula, put the values in slope point formula, and you will get the equation of the line. Now this could have been solved. This particular example, I told that this is a specific point, special point on the x-axis. This is special point because it is a point on the y-axis. This could have been solved in another way without the help of slope. Okay, this is just a trick. You may remember, you may not. Okay, but the 2 forms you have to remember: slope intercept form and slope point form. These 2 points are, these 2 formulas are very important. Okay, this is just a trick. Minus 6, 0 means its x intercept is minus 6, because I told that when y coordinate is 0, the corresponding x coordinate is the x intercept. Then 0, 4 means y intercept is 4. That means indirectly in the question you have been given the x intercept and the y intercept. For such question, the equation of the line will be x by x intercept plus y by y intercept is equal to 1. You get the same equation. I have erased it. I don't remember the equation. Okay, you get the same equation. You will not need slope here. So x by what is x intercept? Minus 6 plus y by what is y intercept? Plus 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Instead of x by minus 6, I can write minus x by 6. Same thing. Okay. Then LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Then this will be minus 2x. This will be 3y. And this is 1. Okay. This implies that minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So finally we will get, here x is negative. Okay. So I want to make it positive. I have to take everything to the right. So we will get 2x minus 3y plus 12 is 0. So this is the equation of the line. I think I have got the same equation in the previous method also. 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the trick where x intercept and y intercept both are given to you. Okay, you may remember, you may not remember because you have other option. You can use the slope, you can find the slope, then you can use the slope in the slope point formula. Okay, so this is about equation of a line. In the next part, in part 4, I'll simply solve examples, different types of examples related to the chapter. Okay, so thank you for watching.